Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can create a Lightning app in Salesforce CRM. So for example, if I click on 9.app launcher, in here we can see and some applications are available, right? But you know how Salesforce display apps like this sales, service, marketing or your own custom application. So then this tutorial is exactly for you. So today tutorial we will learn what is Lightning application in Salesforce, why we need to create Lightning applications, different types of applications available, step by step process of or guidance of how we can create the application, some navigation items, branding and logo, user assignments, real world examples. These all topics I will cover in today's session. So without wasting your time, let's get started. The first thing is we need to understand what is a Lightning app. A Lightning app is a collection of Salesforce features grouped together for a specific group of users. If provide everything user need in one place, like the navigation tabs, object, utility bar, branding, application logo, user access. So instead of showing every object to every user, we can create apps based on department or business function we will show. In real time, what we can say, imagine a company with different teams, sales team. Sales team needs to access leads, accounts, contact, opportunities. But in support team need to access case, knowledge, account, contacts. Some HR team also need to access like employees, leave request, attendance. So instead of showing everything to everyone, Salesforce let us to create Lightning app for each team. Then what is the purpose of Lightning app? So without Lightning app, users see unnecessary objects. Navigation become clutter. Productivity decrease. So when we have Lightning app, it will clean navigation, better user experience. Department wise, we can access. Work will be faster. So then we need to move to how we can create a Lightning app. So first we need to click on gear icon, click on setup. In quick find box, you need to search like app manager. So it will navigate to Lightning Experience App Manager. So in here, we have a something like new Lightning app or new external client app. So we need to create new Lightning app. So that's why, so I need to select button like new Lightning app. So click on that. We need to enter the application name. So what I will do, I will enter like lead management app. So developer name is, it will automatically comes. So I need to enter description. I will enter like this app is used to manage the leads for car showroom. So then currently I don't have a logo of my company, so that's why I don't upload. When you are creating Lightning app, if you have a logo, you simply click on upload button and upload the image like this. But currently I don't have, so that's why I didn't upload anything. Then we need to click on next. So in here, we need to select the app option. So currently my configuration is navigation style is standard navigation, support from factor like this application should be support for desktop and phone. So that's why I select desktop and phone. Setup experience I set like setup full set of options. So then click on next. So in here, we need to add some utility items. So utility items means some charter, connection status, CRM analyticals, flows, histories, list views, everything we can add as a utility items. So currently I don't add anything. I will click on next. So then we need to select the object names. So first I will select lead. Then I will select accounts. Then I will select contacts. Then I will select opportunity. So based on your need, so whatever the standard object you need, you can add. So then click on next. So then in here, we need to assign the profile. So what are the profile can access your application like that. So currently what I will do, so only I will select system administrator. So then click on save and finish. So once it's done, that application is created successfully. So now you can see here, there is a application like lead management app. So this is also available in 9.app launcher. You just click on that and search like lead management app. So if you open that, what you can see like, you can see 4 objects. So that is lead, accounts, contact, opportunities. So now we created application and added some navigation. So what you can customize later, even after creating the application, you can edit application name, logo, navigation items, utility bar, user profiles, branding. These are all the things you can edit. Then what are the common mistakes people do when try to creating new Lightning app? Forgetting to assign user profiles. So in that time, what will be happen? The app is created, but it will not able to see it. Adding too many navigation items. Keep the navigation clean and relevant. Not uploading a logo. Branding makes app easier to identify. So whenever you creating new application, you need to upload the logo. So this is how we can create Lightning app. So make sure you just practice creating a few different applications in your developer org. So I hope you clearly understand how we can create Lightning application in Salesforce. If you found this video is helpful, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.